Today we are staying in an apartment in Warsaw in Kolejowa 45. I want to review the apartment that I choose for this stay. It's a small studio apartment and it should be something about 35 square meters, something like that. They told me that I can just click a code and just have access to that, or I can have access with the access card. So just tapping in. Okay, it looks pretty standard, rather small, because normally it's supposed to be one apartment, but this time they divided one and created two studios out of one. So right when you get into the apartment, on the left-hand side, you have basically just the room. You have a double bed, you have a table, you have some furniture with some drawers, space to leave your suitcase. They provide some piece of furniture with some mirror, and here's some hangers where you can just put on your jacket. They also provide a cover, kind of a blanket, warm blanket, and some spaces as well to probably just put your clothes. And so this is the kitchen, so it's just one piece, just behind the bedroom, and pretty standard. They provide coffee machine, kettle, complimentary teas, coffee, and cream. Also pretty standard. Cups, glasses, wine glasses, microwave, plates. If you feel like cooking, if you're staying a little bit longer, maybe you feel fancy to cook. Kitchenette with a cooking plate, utensils, pots, trash bin, and a small frigo. They mentioned that the drinking water in Warsaw, the tap water in Warsaw is drinkable, so you might like to buy bottled water, but according to this information, is not really necessary. In this furniture, we have some another closet, probably to hang some stuff, and some space to store your shoes, and of course the iron. In this room, we have the bathroom, we have toilet, we have shower, sink, pretty standard stuff. And we have a TV. I was trying the TV, but unfortunately it was just not working. So if that happens, probably you will just have to make a mention to the reception. The apartment has a reception in working hours. They open, I believe, like at 9 in the morning until 10 in the evening, so you can arrive without any problems. I believe that if you come later than those hours, they will probably provide you your PIN code to access the apartment, and probably the next day you can pop into the reception office and get your access card. This apartment has only one window, and it faces a nice garden. Nice garden at the back center of the building, so it's kind of a big complex. This Kolejowa 45. Nice place to stay for a visit. So These apartments are called Apartment4You, and they are located in Kolejowa 45 in Warsaw. So this is the Rondo Daszyńskiego business area. This apartment is good for two persons to stay. It's more than enough if you're coming for business or you're staying just visiting Warsaw a couple of days. It's just right behind the business area, the new business area in Rondo Daszyńskiego, the Warsaw Spire, and some new buildings that they have in here. There is a lot of convenient shops, restaurants. They have beauticians, they have gyms, they have a lot of things. So basically you really have everything here. There is metro line, the second metro line in Warsaw connects to the city center, and is, for me, I think is the best location to stay in Warsaw. You might need to go to their website to select a specific room that you want to get. So I advise you to go to their website. It's warsaw4you.com. It's displayed in different languages, so in Polish, English, German, and Spanish. They have the phone number, so you can call the reception straight away and contact one of the agents. You can book online directly in there, and they have the option of apartments. Staying for the night, you have apartment studio, you have apartment with 2 rooms, and apartment select. So probably they have like a more bigger options. The prices, they really don't go that different on that regard. So the prices are displayed in Polish zloty, but you can just do an easy conversion to euros or dollar or whatever your currency is. My honest thoughts about this apartment is that it's incredibly well connected to the business area, to the city center. They have metro, they have trams, they have buses. Public transport in Warsaw is just amazing. Connection to the Warsaw shop and airport. You can reach easily by train, or you can take a taxi. It's very convenient, and prices are super accessible, so there is nothing to worry about in here. If you have stayed in this apartment or in another one in this area in settlement, just please comment below, let us know your thoughts. And well, that's it. Remember to click like, subscribe, comment below, and see you in the next one.